One of the most common E90X issues are by far the inner taillights. They just seem to go, and they are LED, meaning that you most of the time have to replace them. On very rare occurrences, you can open them up and fix them that way. But in this video, we are going to be replacing this one, which is the left one. Now, you may ask yourself, what is the big deal? It's just a lamp. I can just get a new one. Well, first off, those lamps are very expensive. Just a single lamp ran me €180, which is by far not cheap for a lamp. So here I've got the box with the new light, and coincidentally there are 3 stickers on it. I will go over them. Now, BMW OEM lights are made by Magneti Marelli. They just have a BMW logo on it compared to buying it straight from Magneti Marelli. So the choice is obvious, you go for Magneti Marelli. Well, not really, because they don't make them anymore, and even if you can find new ones, they are very, very expensive. Now, since Magneti Marelli stopped making them, one company took over, and its name is Ulo. I probably have butchered the name, but that is okay. Now, I also found out that Ulo makes lamps for Van Vezel, which is exactly what they are. And if you look real close, I'm not sure if this can focus, but there's a Magneti Marelli sticker, there's the Van Vezel sticker, and underneath there, you probably can't tell, but there's an Ulo sticker on it. So they're all technically the same. So since we know that we have made the right choice, it is time to disassemble the old one and put in the new one. So to get to the lamp, we need to remove this panel. In order to do that, we have many of the plastic clips that we need to remove. And once it is removed, we will be able to get to the lamp, which is located right here. So since all of the clips are off, we can easily remove this grey panel. If it's going to be struggling, it's because it's catching on the inside right here. So don't be afraid to kind of pull it up and take it off. This lamp is being held by the plastic bracket. All we got to do is just to undo this bolt, and essentially this light is going to come out. 10mm ASMR. To take out this lamp, all you got to do is just to squeeze the black clip, and once squeezed, what you want to do is you want to push upwards and kind of wiggle. And once you do that, your lamp should come out. So here I have the OEM lamp, here I have the lamp which I have purchased. So let's take a closer look. So with the old lamp, you can see that there is a BMW logo in the top corner, where here the logo seems to be scratched out. Very suspicious. So back to the OEM one, you can see that here are all of the information and certificates, and on the new one, here are the same information with all the certificates. So now let's check out the build quality. First off, the new one. Hopefully you can tell that it's quite rough around the edges. At first, when I've seen it, I thought that there was something wrong. But here is the OEM one. You can see that it is also very rough around the edges, and there are imperfections. So now, since we know that the lamp is working, let's put it back in, but I'm going to give you some pointers to make your life easier. First off, the lamp usually comes in with the bracket fully done. So what you want to do is you want to undo it. Once the bracket is fully undone, all you want to do is right here, there is kind of clip, and it clips into the side of the trunk. So put it through, shake it to the left, make sure it's in, press it down, and the lamp is in. If one side of the lamp is sticking out, like here, you can see that I can put my finger through. Do not worry, all you got to do is press it down while tightening the bracket, and everything is going to be fine. So hopefully you can see now that the new light is on and all of the gaps are looking as they should.